Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Capcut template not showing on TikTok. First step is to go to Capcut from home screen. From long pressing its icon, remove this app from your device. Then reinstall this. Also, make sure you have updated to the latest version. If the problem persists, go to your web browser. Make a search for Capcut. Next, click on Menu from the top left. Go to the Templates. In the search bar, you can search for any template. So you can directly access Capcut templates this way. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.